I've millions of little skills and little tricks and tips and blah, 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 and I'm willing to share them all. And then with this thing, you can get a bit of notes going on, you know? So, I'll give you an example. This is a tune, what is it? It's something like a part of Dusty Wine Bottle, and then go. That all made a lot of sense to me, but that'd be just, it's like playing a shadow part of a tune.